Beneath the massive ice sheets that cover Antarctica, there are astonishing secrets you might never have imagined. So, what do you think these ice sheets have been hiding all this time? The Earth holds countless hidden riddles, some even beyond human imagination. Among the most intriguing and formidable of these mysteries lies beneath the ice of Antarctica. This frozen frontier, with its extremely cold conditions, is far from a favourite destination for most humans. However, scientists have uncovered its buried secrets which revealed astonishing findings. In today's video, we will delve into what's hidden under the ice of Antarctica. Let's get started. Antarctica appears as nothing but massive sheets of ice stretching across the land. However, this wasn't always the case. 34 million years ago, the southern pole wasn't covered in ice. If these ice sheets formed over such a vast period, what could be buried underneath? Scientists, intrigued by this fascinating question, began investigating the hidden world beneath these southern ice sheets. They embarked on a mission to map the features underneath the massive ice sheet, which spans over 1.2 million square miles. Geographical regions of Antarctica. There's no doubt that Antarctica is the iciest pole on Earth, but would you believe that this icy realm is also the highest, driest and windiest continent on the planet? When considering the geographical regions of Antarctica, there are 5 major areas: the South Pole, East Antarctica, West Antarctica, the Ross Sea and the Antarctic Peninsula. The South Pole is mostly open to tourists and is well known for the historic Amundsen Scott South Pole Station. The Ross Sea region is famous for its rich biodiversity, home to many animals adapted to the cold environment. You might recognise this area from documentaries like Planet Earth and Frozen Planet, which feature penguins, seals and whales. Guess the largest region now? It's East Antarctica, which is believed to have the oldest ice on Earth. Then there is West Antarctica, adorned with glaciers and ice streams located in the western longitudes. These 2 distinct regions of Antarctica are separated by the Transantarctic Mountains, which is not just a small mountain range, but extends over 2,500 kilometers. All these regions are remarkable, each with its unique features and conditions. However, the Antarctic Peninsula stands out as the most special, being the most visited region in Antarctica. It's important to note that this area can only be accessed by ship or boat. This is also where our mapping team conducted their work. Highland A, a specific area within the Antarctic Peninsula, was where the scientists stayed to carry out their research. The ultimate discovery. Surely you've been wondering curiously about what has been discovered beneath the ice sheets of Antarctica. When scientists began mapping the depths, their measurements revealed a hidden landscape of mountains and valleys. Let's delve a bit deeper into the details. According to the collected data, there are 3 distinct landscape blocks within the range of 121 to 173 kilometers. Between these blocks are 2 deep valleys. Even scientists are puzzled about how these valleys were formed. They suggest that these valleys were carved by large ancient rivers that existed during the Cretaceous period. As the continents shifted to form the current landscape of Earth, the Antarctica region began to freeze over, burying evidence of these ancient landscapes under thick ice layers. These rivers have been frozen in time beneath the massive ice layers, and the topography has remained hidden. Would you believe that this uncovered landscape is larger than the total area of Belgium? Radio echo sounding technique. To look beneath the thick ice sheets, advanced technology is required. The technique they used is called radio echo sounding, which functions like ice-penetrating radar. This method measures the distance to underlying features by sending radio waves into the ice and observing the echoes reflected back after interacting with a surface. By analysing the length of the reflected radio waves, scientists were able to map the bed topography. The consequences of ice sheet melting. So what could happen if those ice sheets melted? You might think it would simply bring the rivers, valleys and mountains back to life, but the reality is far more concerning. The Earth's balance, climatic conditions and geographical regions have evolved to their current state over millions of years. If these ice sheets were to melt, the immediate effect would be a significant rise in sea levels. According to some experts, sea levels could rise by up to 53 meters, potentially submerging islands and coastal regions over time. Additionally, life at the icy poles, home to many species adapted to extreme cold temperatures, would be severely impacted. Without their icy habitat, these species could face extinction due to a lack of food and shelter. The uncovered landscape is crucial in this context because it influences ice flow patterns and how the ice might respond to future melting. Understanding this landscape helps us predict and manage the impacts of ice loss on a global scale. This hidden landscape, kept untouched for almost 34 million years, makes us wonder. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to explore more mind-blowing discoveries. Thank you for watching.